It's looking good. Cheers, everyone. It's so good. How you doing today? It's time to make another homemade juice, okay? I'm making beetroot and pineapple juice today. I have 3 beetroot, then 1 ripe pineapple, and ginger. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut everything into smaller pieces, then I'll blend. My blender is here, and I have water. Are you ready? Let's do it. I've already washed all my fruits. I'll peel off the skin. Then I'll cut it to smaller pieces. Time to cut the ginger. Now, we're just going to blend. Let's blend. Let's add the water. Cover and blend. It's ready. Now we're just going to strain. You can leave it like this and drink it if you want to, but I'm going to strain it. All right, this is the finished look of our beet, pineapple, and ginger juice. I'm just gonna put some inside the cup and let's try it together. It's looking good. Cheers, everyone. It's so good. You can taste the pineapple also. If you want it to be sweet, make sure the pineapple that you are going to get, make sure your pineapple is very ripe, okay? All right. See you in my next one. Have a blessed day.